What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. There was a little interest of what's in my geo bag, so I thought I'd do a video on it. Sorry if this set is a little different. You can probably see this rig happening. This is my makeshift overhead camera, just so you guys can get a better angle of what I'm displaying, basically. Let's get into it. Okay, jumping in. This is my wife's bag, actually, and she has in her bag, she carries our journal. This basically just provides a hard surface, so whenever we're doing our logs, we need to have something a little more hard-concrete so we can get a nice signature on there. Next up, obviously, when you're going geocaching, you're gonna need a lot of writing utensils. So we've got pens, pencils, anything that can make a mark. Next up, we got lots of swag. This is our little bag of goodies. We've got anything from toy cars to little compasses, just cheap items that you can find at pretty much Dollar Tree or any other little store. Got some cheap plastic coins as well. Along with, new to the game, we have our business cards. Okay, so that's it for bag one. The second bag is basically all my camera gear, which is why all the videos look so sharp. Obviously, the overhead camera I don't take with me. The camera that I'm filming with right now actually is the Sony a6300, capable of 4K up to 30 frames, 1080 at 120 frames, so I can get that buttery smoothness. You guys are used to seeing this though. This is a B-Cam GoPro Hero 5, and this is capable of 4K 30. Typically I just record in 2K though, just so we can get those stable shots, because typically it's doing a lot of this because there's not much stabilization. So when I go about down to 2K, I can get stabilization built in. It just crops in a little bit, but I think it's worth the crop. Next up, we got the drone. This is the DJI Mavic Mini, and this actually goes 2K. Not bad, it's better than full HD, so it can go 2K at 30 and 1080 at 60. Primarily, I go full HD at 60 frames a second, so I can just slow it down in post and makes it look a little more cinematic. But yeah, it's a nice little drone. Very, very small form factor, which is, well, that and the price. What else? So in addition to the lens that is normally on this one, we also have the Sony 50mm 1.8. This kind of gives you just a closer in, I mean, it's a prime, so fast aperture, and it gives you those nice buttery bokeh shots. And then from our most recent episode, you guys probably noticed these. These are the flashlights. Oh my God, that is blinding. These are the flashlights that we took with us on our night caching trip. So that was pretty fun. I think that was a cool little episode. So that is pretty much it, guys. That is what's in our geocaching bag. Some gear, mostly on me, with some more practical items like logbook and GeoSwag and all that stuff. Get ready for more adventures next week, and we will see you guys in the next one. All right, happy hunting. See ya.